Hey guys, you're watching Trendy Tech and I am Surya. So today in this video, we will be discussing how to unlock the bootloader of any Xiaomi phone. You will need a Xiaomi phone and I am having the Redmi Note 5 Pro. A MI account, developer options enabled on your smartphone. If not, go to settings in your phone, then move on to about phone. Tap on MIUI version 7 times until you see this message. No need, you are already a developer. Guys, you have successfully enabled developer options on your phone. The first step to do in your phone is that go to settings and go to additional settings. You will see this developer options down below. Enable it and then enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Now move on to MI unlock status. Agree. Add your account and device. This can be only done through mobile data, not through Wi-Fi. I have already done this, so I'll skip this step. Now your phone is ready to be unlocked. You can go to PC and we'll install some softwares. You will need to install ADB Drivers on your desktop. So to install it, go to this link. I have added this link in the description box down below. So scroll down until you see this thing. Click on this Google Drive and you will be redirected to this page. Click on this download button. Click on the setup file. So click yes and type Y and click enter for every steps. So click next and click install. Finish. Some antivirus softwares may try to block this installation, so temporarily disable the antivirus which are using. Now go to this page, MI devices bootloader unlocker. I have linked this web page also in the description box down below. Download these two files, MI unlock app and MI PC suite. Now please extract these two files which I have downloaded from the web and then please install this MI setup file. Just click on install. I have already installed this, so I will leave it to you. Then go to MI flash unlock. And click on this MI flash unlock file. Click on agree and sign in with the same account, MI account which you have signed in your smartphone. I'll sign into my account. So you'll get this window. Now be sure that you have enabled OEM unlocking and USB debugging in your developer options. Now power off your phone. So my phone has turned off. Now press the volume down and the lock button or the power on button simultaneously to enter into the fastboot mode. So I have entered into this fastboot mode. Now connect your device or the phone to the desktop via USB. So now you will receive this message, phone has connected. Now just click unlock. Click on this unlock anyway. Click on this again and the process will initiate. So you will you will actually find this message couldn't unlock. For me, it's displaying you should unlock this device after 100 hours. It may even take 15 days. So please be sure that you will unlock after the particular limit of time that is displaying to you.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay guys, now we can connect and see. It's been 4 days. Unlock anyway. So the process has been initiated. So finally it's unlocked successfully. Now you should click on this reboot phone to complete your setup, and you will see this message, device is locked, but actually it's unlocked. See the symbol there. Now you should click on this, activate this device, enter your password to the account, and it will automatically activate. Click on next, and it's normal setup process, guys. So you can do it on your own. If you guys have any doubt, please comment in the comment section below. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click on bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you guys. See you later.